Welcome to Mag8 Africa, the channel where we break down the biggest innovation stories shaping products, platforms, and policies across the 8 largest economies in Sub-Saharan Africa. Every week, we spotlight ideas and technologies that are driving real economic growth and improving everyday life across the continent. And before we get started, if you care about Africa's innovation journey, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep these stories moving. All right, let's jump into this week's top 5 innovation headlines. Story 1, Bolt upgrades safety in South Africa. Let's start in South Africa, where ride-hailing company Bolt is working hard to improve its safety image. As ride-hailing scales across African cities, one thing matters more than anything else: trust. Customers want to know that the right driver shows up, the trip goes smoothly, and they arrive safely. No surprises. Bolt is rolling out a number of smart safety features, including pickup codes to prevent getting into the wrong car, optional audio recording during trips, stronger identity checks, and family profiles. They also have an SOS panic button, giving riders access to armed and medical response teams with real-time vehicle tracking. In a competitive market, Bolt is clearly betting that better safety equals better loyalty. Story 2, Starlink closer to South Africa. Still in South Africa, Starlink may finally be edging closer to entering the market. After a long and very public standoff between Elon Musk and the South African government, there are signs of movement behind the scenes. The government is reportedly considering changes to its empowerment regulations that could allow Starlink to operate while still supporting equity goals. If this happens, it could significantly boost connectivity, especially in rural and underserved areas, and that's a big deal for economic activity. Politics aside, better internet access is a game changer for growth. Story 3, Airtel and Starlink direct to sell. Now let's zoom out across the continent. Africa is mobile first. In many countries, there are more mobile connections than people, and over half the population relies on mobile phones for banking, business, and communication. That's why Airtel Africa's partnership with Starlink is so interesting. Together, they plan to roll out direct-to-mobile satellite connectivity across Airtel's 14 African markets, with claims of up to 20 times faster data speed. That means fewer dropped calls, faster transaction, and no more endless buffering when people are trying to work or trade online. This isn't just about speed, it's about unlocking productivity at scale. Story 4, Nigeria's national payment stack. Next up, Nigeria, where the country has hit a major milestone in digital payment. Nigeria has successfully completed its first transaction on the new National Payment Stack, or NPS for short. 2 financial institutions tested the system with near instant settlement, which is exactly what a modern economy needs. The NPS promises faster payments, stronger security, and seamless connections across banks and fintechs, including cross-border payments. Longer term, this could help reduce the high cost of remittances paid by Nigerians in the diaspora. This is a big infrastructure, and big infrastructure drives longer-term economic independence. Story 5, Ethiopia launches EthioPay. Finally, let's head to Ethiopia. Switch has launched EthioPay, a new instant payment system that allows same-day settlement for transactions. Ethiopia's digital payment ecosystem is still developing, which means this launch is especially important. Ethiopia could accelerate adoption, reduce cash dependency, and help businesses and consumers transact more efficiently. It's another strong signal that Ethiopia is laying the foundation for a modern digital economy. And that wraps up this week's top 5 innovation stories across the Mag8 economies. We will be back next weekend on the 3rd of January 2026 with another roundup of the innovations shaping Africa's future. From all of us at Mag8 Africa, we wish you a fantastic festive season, and we'll catch up with you in 2026. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for listening.